Alright, here we are, Canadian junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. Today we were dealing with a real regular on the show here, Roger the Robot. Our Polaris, what is it? He is a 9450 Sport. And now that he's back in business after a major repair last year, decided to spoil him and get some new treads for the scrubbers. These guys are looking a little worn down. I'm going to do a comparison on how worn down these are. I believe those are the original scrubbers that came with it. And we inherited this 5 years ago when we bought the house, so he's done a few laps around the pool. And noticed that he just wasn't like kind of scrubbing the walls and floor as well as I would like. So I was guessing that these kind of weren't making contact. And if I look straight down, it's kind of hard to tell from here, but the wheel to me is lower than the scrubber. At least if I go straight, I don't know. It's hard to really show that on the camera, but I feel like they've been worn down over the years because we do have a concrete pool, which is a pretty rough surface. So we're going to try these guys. These are genuine parts. We got them from an online Canadian pool parts supply, and this is the one that apparently goes with it. So we're going to open it up, check out the instructions, and walk you through it. Okay, we've got these bad boys out of the box. Comes with some instructions, which is handy. I had no idea there was actually a wear indicator on these things. I had to kind of look for it. Let's see if I can find it again. Oh, it's here on the back. So once it gets down that much, which is, I don't know, a millimeter, it's time to replace them. And you'll see they're just little tabs. And as they circle around here, the little tab would go through the hole here, and there, and there. And it looks like you just cut them off. And then to remove them, it looks as easy as finding this edge here. And then you'll see the tab kind of here. So I think I'm probably gonna need two hands for this. But you see the tab is there. Maybe if I kind of do that. Well, that's close. Yeah, there's that one out already. So, yeah, I'm going to take note of which way it is pointing. So, these were pointing downwards. You'll see the wear. There's the wear indicator. We are clearly down well past that. I'm going to do a comparison on how worn down these really are. I think they're going to be real worn down. One of the things it says here is to make sure they install the brushes with the spikes facing downwards. Oh, that must mean these actual spikes. I thought it mattered maybe which way this went. So when it's brushing, it's not pushing against that tab. But we'll just install them the same way that they were on here. Which I feel like it brushes this way, like forward, right? It would brush forward, so you would want, maybe the tab's going the other way. I might put them the other way. But yeah, obviously these out, not this way. So yeah, we'll get these off the rest of the way here with two hands. That should be a little bit easier. There's the other one. Maybe I can get this whole one off with one hand. You can see what happens. It's a one-handed operation here. Just get that with my thumb. This is obviously way quicker with two hands. There it is, a little bit of dirt and grime in there. But let's see the difference here. Wow. Those are worn down. Look at those bad boys. Roger is going to be cleaning like crazy. Okay, so we'll do the other one and let you know if we run into any issues. Okay, so we are going to install it like it says here with those tabs down. So we've got it in here. And we have those tabs facing down, and then I'm going to click that back together, and then it tells you to trim the tab off with a pair of scissors. So we'll do that. I wasn't sure, like from this, until I took it off, I wasn't sure like which way the machine was pointing and how that would work, but I think we've got it right here. So we'll put them together. Another quick look here at the difference. So this does make sense to me to have it put on the way we did, because as it turns this way, you know, it's not going to be pushing on those flaps. We don't want the other way. it would be banging the top of the flaps. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but look at this view of how much bigger these things are. You know, it's like so much different there. So this Roger's gonna be cleaning like crazy. I can't wait to get him in the pool. Okay, a little darker a few hours later here. But we just took the scissors, super simple, just trimmed those little tabs. And, you know, Roger's all set to go now. So we're going to, I'm going to give him a little test tomorrow, and we'll let you know what sort of a difference we see and how much scrubbing he's doing and how well he's loosening that dirt to then be able to suck it up. So we'll give him a few test runs and let you know the difference.